Alright, I don't know who sent this to me. Luna got a toy, a little treat dispenser, which is awesome. And then I also got something, Mr. Brooks Miller, but I do not know who it's from. Box within a box.
That flea in a box, and then I'll put that box inside of another box, and then I'll mail that box to myself.
Okay, what is going on? This is awesome. Who is giving me these treats? What? This is so freaking dope. Oh my god, this is sick. I know, honey, better come here. This is dope. It's like it looks like a bubble bucket. Oh my god, it's like a hydroponic all-in-one kit. Oh! It is a bubble bucket. Nice! Who sent me these wonder... Wait, is there a note in here? Yes. Whoever it is, thank you. It was so nice and thoughtful. Damn, I am so smitten right now. Thank you, that was so nice.